Hi, Danielle here from the Swan Tavern inside the Schoolhouse, and this week I have a fun cocktail for you guys. It is a champagne Cosmo. We are going to use Tito's vodka. We have some Cointreau, but you can use triple sec, some champagne, some cranberries. We're going to use a little bit of cranberry juice, some fresh lime, and of course our champagne flute. So we're going to start this drink in a shaker with some ice, and we're going to do 1 shot of vodka and just a half a shot of the Cointreau, a splash of cranberry, and just a little bit of lime. So we'll put our lime into our lime press here, and we just need a tiny little bit. We're going to shake this up, pour this into our champagne. And now we're going to top the rest off with the champagne, and we'll add some cranberries. And there you have your champagne Cosmo. So I'd like to thank you so much for watching. Please come check us out Thursdays and Fridays from 5 to 11. Have a happy new year. We'll see you soon.